contrary to media critics who claim that earlier forms of media are abandoned and then replaced by dramatically different technology, J. David Bolter and Richard Grusin insist that emerging media actually reflects, actually embraces, and even pays homage to the earlier forms of technology that they were designed to replace. In their 1999 book, Remediation, Understanding New Media, they present this type of refashioning process as a concept that they call remediation. Virtual reality is one of the forward-shaping types of media that they explore. Now, those familiar with remediation can connect the dots and demonstrate how, for example, paintings remediated literature, and how photography and motion pictures remediated paintings, and then finally to where we are now, and how virtual reality remediates motion pictures. So what's next in this 6 degrees of remediation? What's going to remediate virtual reality? Introduced in the book as a hybrid technology positioned as the opposite of virtual reality, augmented reality, or ubiquitous computing, is already starting to find its way into mainstream uses and applications. Augmented reality has embraced and adapted key principles of virtual reality, and it has also managed to streamline all of the expensive and clunky bells and whistles required to immerse users into virtual reality. While virtual reality pulls the user into a digitally replicated environment, augmented reality pulls digitally replicated elements into the real world. Virtual reality requires hardware designed to trick the senses into thinking that there is a real world in front of our eyes that's actually not really there. Augmented reality doesn't require such obtrusive instruments that, for all practical purposes, actually can jeopardize the quest to achieve total immersion that makes virtual reality virtual reality. As discussed in the book, there's a logic of transparency that requires the tools that actually create virtual reality to disappear so it doesn't interfere with the experience. Augmented reality embraces a minimalist approach and doesn't pursue hardware designed to trick the senses or let alone promise total immersion. Navigation and interaction with digital elements are present in augmented reality, just like in virtual reality, but the sense of being in another world, that's not present. From entertainment and architecture to medical research and military training, applications that use augmented reality allow users to interact, experiment, and explore options, as well as compare complex concepts seamlessly in their own environments without distracting attempts to trick the senses into thinking that they're somewhere else doing something different.